Can you guess what is the name of this country? Yes, you got it right. It's Japan. Can you guess what is the name of this country? Yeah, you are genius. This is China. This country is hard. Can you guess it? Yeah, you got it right. It's Spain. I bet you can't spell this country. Yes, this is Chile. I bet you can't guess this country. Yeah, definitely right. It's Peru. Can you guess what is the name of this country? You got it right. This is Poland. Can you get this country by one emoji only? Yeah, it's definitely Turkey. Can you guess what is the name of this country? This is Belgium. Can you guess this country? It's Cuba. Can you guess which is this country? You are genius. This is Singapore.